Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Ludwig here. So I'm going to show you how to use Cami to edit today's worksheet, which is called Tectonic Plates, Coloring and Types of Plate Boundary for 9.2, section 9.2 in our textbook. Read the directions. It says refer to the textbook on page 256 and 257. You're going to create a key on the right-hand side to show which color represents each tectonic plate and name the plate. Then you're going to color in each plate. So the first thing you want to do is refer to your textbook, and you can choose their colors or you can choose your own colors. Let me show you what I mean. So click on the drawing tool with the pen, and you can choose any color that you want besides white, because white will just erase everything. So let's go ahead and choose purple. I'm going to choose the first plate that I see on the screen, which is the Pacific plate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color in that box. So that's going to be for the Pacific plate. I'm going to use my text and type in, this is for the Pacific plate. And you can also resize your font so that it fits a little bit better. Let's go ahead and choose a little bit smaller. You can move it, okay? Select the same color again, purple, and then you're going to color in as best as you can the entire plate. Okay, so just the outline of it. And then you're going to go ahead and shade it all in. Do a better job than what I'm doing. I'm just kind of going pretty fast to show you guys what I mean. But again, take your time and fill in each section. Again, you don't have to use the same color as a textbook. I believe the textbook color is light blue, so I'm just using purple. Now, I know that there are 7 major plates and 6 intermediate plates. If you go ahead and click on the more colors on this little paint palette, it will pop up the screen so that you can choose any other color that you want. So you don't have to stick with the default 9, you can choose a different color. Make sure you type in the plate name. If it's too small, just resize your font. And that's basically it for page 1. Let's go ahead and scroll down to page 2. Page 2 is where you're going to be reading those 2 pages in your textbook, page 254 to 255, in order to complete the table below. In order to insert an image, all you have to do is open a new Google tab and then copy and paste the image and place it on the image below. I'll show you what I mean. So first things first, you want to answer what is a tectonic plate. Once you have that answer, you want to type in your answer here. And it will go over it. Now, if you want to change your background, you can do so by clicking on this highlight tool on the very top. You can change your highlight tool so it shows up differently. You can change your font color, etc. It will show up on the very top, okay? So place your answer there. Then I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm going to type in, let's say, divergent plate boundary. Do an image search. Find an image that I really like that tells me exactly what a divergent plate is going to do. Oh, I like that one. I will right click to copy, or you can click on it and then you can either download or say copy or do a Control C for copy. Once you have that copy, then you can right click and do paste, or you can just click on Control V and that will pop up that image there. And then you're just going to kind of click and drag it. You can resize this image in order to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to resize that so it fits it. And then I'm going to type in the description. What is a divergent plate boundary? What does it look like? How does it move? And then from your textbook, read up on the divergent boundaries and then give me an example. Once you're all finished, make sure you go over to the Save button. Go find the cloud with the arrow to save now. And then you can turn this in on Google Classroom. Okay, always submit your Cami edits through Google Classroom. Do not submit through Cami. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. Take care and I'll see you later.